Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. This is Umar with you. Hope you're all doing great. So markets today was Nifty expiry, and I can tell you it was super volatile. And I know majority of them would have found it very hard to trade in this market. But what we can do, it is market, right? Markets are market. We cannot do anything, and it is not about the market. It is about the trader. How much caliber you have, how much. Emotions you can control is what matters, and people don't concentrate on that. We have been saying so many days, we have been saying this for many times, and people are not concentrating about emotions. It's not about strategy, it's not about fundamentals, it's not about anything. You'll have to know how to control your emotions, right? And we have mentioned this in our expiry day eye opener also, right? So how much losses we can incur, how much problems we can go through, more than strategies, or more than, see, strategies is nothing, it's outright, you cannot do any strategy. There are only two strategies, but when it comes to emotion, it is very, very important, right? So it is there is a strong disclaimer here. If you are doing expiry day trades, it is very, very hard nowadays. Last 2 or 3 months, it's very, very hard to trade expiry day trades, right? So we'll talk about that expiry day trades. We'll talk about the market, what is going to happen, in terms of market. There is a very, very important event today evening at around 6 p.m., which is going to be the US data, which is going to be our mother market. We'll also talk about that. Now, first thing, this is the Nifty chart. And you know that I've been saying that the likelihood of Nifty coming below, this is the daily chart of Nifty, and the likelihood of Nifty coming below 22,000 is very, very low, right? And today, you know what is the low? What is the low? 22,250 is the low, right? So you can understand one thing here, that 22,250 is going to be very, very strong support in terms of Indian market. Let's see how today's data is going to come out. Today's data might also be the reason why markets are fluctuating. So if you look at that way, even US futures are all in the green. So we don't have to worry about that. We'll have to see how things work out. For now, what we believe is that market Nifty, I am talking about Nifty is not going to come anywhere below 22,000. So this level, right? This level, if you see, this level is around 22,250. So watch for 22,250. See what people are doing at around 22,250 level. And in terms of our PNL, let me go to our Telegram group so that you can understand. We made a total profit of around, I don't know if this is doing the justification. We made a profit of around 2,18,062 rupees today, and we will see how things work out. As of now, we are sitting in a profit of March series. I'm talking about, we are sitting in a profit of around 12.86%. So we'll see how things work out, or how markets are going to work out, whether it is going to work out in our favor or whether it is not going to work in our favor. That is out of our control. So what is in our control is the emotions, how we can control the emotion, what can be done to control the emotion is what we have to focus. So we'll see about that later in part, maybe another video or so on and so forth. So as far as Nifty is concerned, look for 22,000. Make sure 22,000 is not taken out. Unless 22,000 is not taken out, still we are in bull's grip only. Market is not likely to come down. If 22,000 is taken out, then we will see market maybe hitting 21,000 or 21,500. That's a whole different ball game. We'll discuss in another video. For now, we will have to concentrate on 22,000. So that's for Nifty. And in terms of Bank Nifty, I can tell you, Bank Nifty was a culprit today. And you know, HDFC Bank was kind of, let me show you the HDFC Bank chart. I'm not sure if I can show you the HDFC Bank chart. Let me go to HDFC Bank. In fact, if you see all the charts, all the things, look at the HDFC Bank. So this is the problem in HDFC Bank, right? So today's chart, this is a 5-minute chart of HDFC Bank, and look at the way it is traveling from around 1430 rupees. It went all the way to around 1463. Then it came down. Then it went sideways. So HDFC Bank is having a significant weightage in whether it is Banknifty or FinNifty. So one reason why the market was super volatile or why it was fluctuating was because of HDFC Bank, right? So I would say there is not any issue in terms of whole market, but because of once this bank HDFC Bank, we are seeing volatility, and even in Bank Nifty, I would say, let me change this to a hourly time frame so that you get an idea. Even in Bank Nifty, we are not likely to break below maybe 46,000. I am saying immediate support for this week, 46,000 or even 45,500. 45,500. Let me tell you, 45,500 is having a very strong support in Bank Nifty. So work out your strategies accordingly. 22,000 for Nifty and 45,500 is for Bank Nifty. And let me tell you, mid caps and small caps are bleeding like anything. You will have to keep in concern also. You will have to keep this in mind also. Small caps and mid caps are bleeding. Let me show you the mid cap chart. So that you can get an idea where is that Nifty mid cap. Yeah, this is the Nifty mid cap chart, right? So you can see this is not performing at all. This is not performing at all. There is a loss of momentum. Can you see this? There is a loss of momentum in mid cap Nifty, and the likelihood of mid cap Nifty coming towards 10,485 is very high, and it might happen. So something is cooking up, which we really, as a retailer, we don't know what is happening or what might happen in the market. So be very careful, be very cautious, because it is large cap or it is Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty it is holding, but small caps and mid caps are not holding, right? And in terms of US market, let me go to the US market. We have 6 p.m. today evening, around 6 p.m. we have a core inflation rate month on month, core inflation rate year on year, inflation rate month on month, and inflation rate year on year. So this is going to be a very important data today evening 6 p.m. and this is a very important proxy, after which Federal Reserve is going to come out on March 20 and they are going to say whether they are going to increase the interest rate or not, right? So that's a very important proxy. Watch out for this proxy, what is happening in terms of inflation rate. If inflation rates are coming out at a higher level, it's going to be a negative news. If it comes on the higher level, the likelihood of Federal Reserve increasing the interest rate is going to be very high. Federal Reserve is at 5.5, interest in US is at around 5.5. If they increase the interest rate, it is going to be a very bad news or negative news for the market. We may come on the downside is what I want to say. So make sure you watch this data today 6 p.m. This data is going to come out, right? So I hope I have explained everything. As far as Bank Nifty is concerned, make sure you watch 46,500 levels, and in terms of Nifty, watch for 22,000 levels. Anything below this number, you should be shorting the market is what I would say. So be cautious, be careful. Markets are making two-way, three-way move. Anything can happen. So we'll see how things work out. I'll see you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye.